For years, a husband and wife have helped Colorado families who were going through tough times, and now they need some help.
Denver 7's Richard Butler introduces us to a husband and wife who turned their tragedy into a blessing for other families.
So right now they're both on the road to recovery.
Joe and Kay Kanata have spent over 3 decades fighting for families who are dealing with the aftermath of a violent crime. Now they're fighting for their own health.
My grandmother called me, told me that she wasn't feeling very well. And so we found out a few weeks later that she was suffering from sepsis.
Weeks after Kay came back from the hospital, Joe also began feeling ill.
He wound up suffering a few different strokes. He started going through a few fainting episodes.
The Kanatas are the founders of Voices of Victims, a nonprofit that helps victims of violent crimes and their families. Their services include legal education, meals, and transportation to court hearings.
My mom was murdered when I was 2 years old. My grandparents took me in after that.
They began this work in 1987 after their pregnant daughter was murdered by her boyfriend. They wanted to give other families the help they wish they had while dealing with their own tragedy.
They're there for the hardest times, for the worst case situations.
Joe Kanata showed up at every single court hearing. He sat beside me.
Arapahoe County Commissioner Rhonda Fields knows the impact of their work. In 2005, her son Javad Marshall Fields and his fiancée Vivian Wolf were murdered to silence Javad from testifying in a murder case. Joe Kanata was able to give her the emotional support he knew firsthand a parent would need in that situation.
He was just like, let me help you get through this. What do you need? How can I help? And it gave me hope.
Now, the Kanatas are asking for help. Kay is home but needs 24-hour care. Joe is still in a rehab facility, relearning how to walk and talk. The family has set up a GoFundMe to help with the rising medical expenses.
So many people are struggling. I know how hard it is to ask for help, but I think right now more than ever, we have to focus on our community and the people close to us.
Their family hoping Coloradans will step up for them, the way they spent their lives stepping up for others. For Denver 7, I'm Richard Butler.